So here y'all go, man. This is my personal barber kit right here. Got the color coordination. We'll add this all up right now and y'all will be able to see how much I actually spent. I know what you said about the clippers and all that.
You got him?
I know what you said.
Oh, shit, you got the...
Oh, we're gonna do the sharpening test. All right, man. So as a beginner barber, a barber apprentice, which is the best route to go? What is the best barber kit to go with? Do you go with the expensive stuff, you know, the stuff that you really want? Or do you go with the more cost-effective route, you know, the smarter choice? Is it the smarter choice? In my personal opinion. All right, so hold up one second. So I was talking to Jerry. Jerry's my mentor, and he wants me to start with some clippers that are, you know, not so expensive. You know, he wants me to get these right here. You see, it's a good deal, man. It comes with the bundle, free magnet mat as well, for the price of $189.98 with a discount. That's clutch. He wants me to start off with something not so expensive, just to make sure, you know, I don't start and then all of a sudden, like, I'm not into it, and then I just bought some expensive ass stuff. Me, what I want, obviously I already got the trimmer, I showed y'all that, but this is what I want. I want the Babyliss Pro FX1 Low Pro FX, and I want the Babyliss Pro FX3. It's about $100 more without the shipping. Oh man, we still got to do the shipping. So this is where I'm at. Do I go the cheaper route or do I just get what I want? I know what the smarter thing to do is. Well, I guess that's based on your mindset. To me, I'm kind of thinking like, well, I know I'm gonna like it. You know, I know I'm gonna be good at it, and I would rather buy something that I'm gonna keep, you know? Even though Jerry said he would reimburse me for the clippers and then, you know, I could get whatever ones I wanted. But I don't know, man. We'll see. What y'all think? What should I do? Some people will say the smart thing to do is go with the cheaper ones. You know, you're just getting started. Others would say, why get the cheap stuff if you know you want the other stuff? You know what I'm saying? It's just like when you learn to ride a bike. Me, the first time I rode a motorcycle, I hopped on a 600, rode it back 30 miles on the freeway. You know, it was scary, but I did it. Rather than getting like a small bike and then a week later I'm like, bro, I should have just got the 600 at least. So, you know, I don't know, man. That's kind of where I'm at with it right now. What y'all think, man? What's the better route to go? Let me know.
Several days later.
All right, man. So today is officially going to be my first cut. And I've done like 2 cuts in my life. I think it was in 2019 when I was like thinking about doing this and I didn't go through with it. I did 2 cuts, one on the person that I'm doing today, which is my cousin, and then one on another person. But so this is going to be my first official cut. In my eyes, this is going to be my first official cut. So look what arrived right in time. Got my clippers and I'm going to open them right now because I'm hype. Which one you think I went with? It was out of the TPOB, obviously best value. That's the one that Jerry wanted me to go with. The more conservative route, cheaper, good enough. You know, I seen the reviews and I didn't see anything bad. So it was between that and obviously the Babyliss Low Pros FX1s and the FX3 shaver, which is what I really wanted to go with. Bit more expensive, just about double the price for less stuff. The TPOB was obviously the full set, trimmer, shaver, clipper, and then Babyliss I had to get separately, the clipper and the shaver, because I already have the trimmer, Babyliss Custom FX. So I'm about to open this up because I'm hype. Been waiting on this. I didn't think it was gonna get here because it was said pending and it didn't give me an order number, a tracking number until like yesterday, I believe. So, and I'm hype. We'll see if you guys could guess down below in the comments what I ended up going with. If I listened to Jerry or if I went with what I wanted. Did I make the smart decision or what I do? Okay. This thing is sick. Alright, we here, man. And if y'all want to see more of the M4, like I said before, you got to go to the car channel. Link down in the description. Alright, we about to get Jerry's reaction right now. I know what you said about the clippers and all that. Just I want you to take this as that I'm really like, you know, this is what I want to do, man.
You got him?
I know what you said.
Oh shit, you got the better one.
I respect your opinion. I really do, bro. I honestly. But I had to go with these, bro.
Yeah, the babyliss, whatever you
What do you
want to
think?
call
What
it.
do you think, Jerry?
Yeah, they're good.
Are you mad at me?
Nah.
Jerry said, obviously, the smarter decision, especially as a beginner, you should go with the TPOB. Like that comes with
Something
everything.
more affordable.
Way more affordable. But I had to go.
Oh,
with
and it came
these,
with the
bro.
shaver too?
No, I didn't. I
Oh,
bought
you
that
bought
as
it
well.
too? I mean, you can try it out, but I like the bronze. Yeah, because you could get insurance at Best Buy and return them.
For real?
Yeah.
It's all good, bro. This
You try these out.
this is me saying like I'm really doing
Yeah.
this shit, bro. What do you think? Do you think I made the wrong decision?
Nah, you're good. Yeah, 'cause they go the same.
What do you think, Jerry? You gonna get some now or what?
Huh?
You gonna get some
Nah,
now?
I'm old school. On top of that, I just don't, as long as shit works for me.
Oh, we're gonna do the sharpening test.
No, yeah, they're sure.
So how do we know if it passes the test?
If it tugs.
Okay,
I
that's a
don't
good
have-
video in itself. Actually, y'all might need to wait for that.
They're all the same, dude.
Honestly, Jerry, I'm a hype beast, bro. I can't lie. These are pretty much the same, I think.
Yeah, they're. The only thing that changes for these is that you can take off the battery. These are 200 if you buy both,
Oh, okay, I see.
and it comes out to 100, like 2 each.
Okay, I got you.
No, 150 each, I think.
Oh, Jerry's using the clippers. What do you think about the clippers? Same as everything else.
Different price tag.
There it is, man. My first clipper ever. The Babyliss Pro Low Pro FX. This thing is sick. And it couldn't have been in a better colorway. This is literally the colors that I go for. Gray, blue, black. Perfect, bro. Wow. Look at this. I'm too hyped. Oh, this thing feels good. You can hear the lever. Sounds good. Feels good. Might need to loosen it up just a bit. It's a little firm. This thing, like the weight of it. Okay, we got the battery right here. Obviously, we know it comes with the removable battery. Boom. Slides in like a clip. See? Okay, it's charged. Oh, we cut something up right now. Bro. The weight on this and just how it feels. The construction of this thing. The look of it. The blade. The fact that it has the removable battery. This thing is sick. May not have been the best choice financially if you're just getting started. But if you got the money for it, I mean, look at this thing. Thing's sick. Okay. So we know what all that comes with. It comes with the clipper, obviously, the battery charger, the little stand, and then an extra battery as well. Let's see if it comes with anything else, actually. Yeah, we got the guard. Pretty much all the guards I'm guessing that I need. We got whatever that is. Sure y'all might know. Got the charging equipment. And we got the lubricant oil and then everything else. Cover, got a little screwdriver thing right there. Yeah, man, basically what it comes with. And then, of course, I don't know why I still got that on my lap. Obviously, if I got the Babyliss FX1, the Low Pro, I went ahead and got the FX3. The reviews that I seen, man, this was like, you know, the best choice in my opinion for the price and for the quality of it. I really wanted the UV, but that's a little out of my budget right now, so I'll wait on that one. But this thing is sick. Got the all black, comes with the case as well, as you can see. We ain't getting no stickers on this one. I got tons of stickers and brushes and hair things and a bunch of stuff when I ordered the custom FX. Doesn't look like they hooked me up with any of that stuff on this one, but it's all good. Probably needs to be charged. Okay, this one comes charged too. Ooh. I need to get used to this. I don't know if I need to oil it up or anything. I've never used one of these. This thing is sick though. Look at that. Got the carbon fiber look on the back of it. Now I don't know if this is actual carbon fiber, but it's light and it looks like carbon fiber. Looks like really good quality. Super powerful. Boom, you can hang it up right there if you need to. Bro, you know your boy had to do it. Sorry, Jerry. Yeah, man. So that's what it is. That's what we got. All right, man. So as a beginner barber, a barber apprentice, which is the best route to go? What is the best barber kit to go with? Do you go with the expensive stuff, the stuff that you really want? Or do you go with the more cost-effective route, the smarter choice? Is it the smarter choice? In my personal opinion, obviously there's so many different choices. You got the stylecraft, you got the JRL, you got the walls, you got the babyliss, you got the TPOB, Andis. There's so many options. For me, it was between obviously the babyliss, which I went with, and the JRL, the Onyx. And that one I see a lot of people, a lot of people like those. That's like a fan favorite right now amongst barbers from what I'm seeing. Y'all let me know down below in the comments, but Tank B Choppin' just posted this right now.
Which one you picking to use in the shop all day? You can only pick one. You got to get rid of the rest of them. Let me know down in the comments.
A lot of people are saying JRL, but obviously the most cost effective, the most bang for your buck is going to be TPOB. You get everything for that price, which is pretty much the same price as one clipper. The stylecraft instincts, I believe they are like $260 without tax. The ones I got, the low pros, are like $209 without tax. You know what I'm saying? You could literally get a full kit without shears for $189 with a magnetic mat. You know what I'm saying? So in Jerry's opinion, what he says, and I'll let him tell y'all as well, is to him, they're all the same for the most part. To me, I'm very inexperienced, but one thing I can say is obviously weight is different, size, obviously, the volume of them. As far as cutting, I've only cut with some Walmart wahl clippers and my low pros, and then I use Jerry's old wahl masters, I believe they are. So I couldn't tell you, but Jerry, he's of the opinion that, the blades are pretty much the same. Clippers usually, pretty much all cut the same. And I'll let him tell you, he has a good, he says, if you could look at a haircut and tell him what clippers were used, then he'll tell you there's a difference. But there's going to be many discussions to be had. Like I said before, man, drop your comments down below. What do y'all think? What's the best route to go? It's either between like what you want out of all those clippers and money to the side, or the cost-effective route, which I believe hands down has to be the TPOB barber kit. Obviously, y'all know what I got. You already seen the video. You see I got the Babyliss Pro, Low Pro FXs, got them covered. I'll show y'all my whole little kit here. And I got the shears on the way as well. I got the JW shears. I'll let y'all know right now. That wasn't cheap either. We'll add this all up right now and y'all will be able to see how much I actually spent. But you see, got the trimmers, custom FXs, all black. I didn't ball out on that one. I would have got the trimmers, the low pro trimmers as well, but I jumped the gun with this one. Kind of because I got these right before I decided I was really gonna go through with this, before I was even thinking about it. So it's weird. If y'all seen like my whole story I explained in my previous video, it was just all in alignment, man. But then you see the FX3s right here too. So here y'all go, man. This is my personal barber kit right here. Y'all can see. Got the color coordination, you know what I'm saying? And then we got the shears on the way too. So let's add this up and then I'll give y'all my opinion, as to why I went with this, why I made these decisions, and what I think is the smartest thing to do. All right, so for the low pros and the shaver, that was $313.93. And for the custom FXs, it was $147.89. So altogether, that is a grand total of $461.82. And if we go right here real quick, let's see how much the TPOB is, because that was really the most cost effective, the best bang for your buck for sure. So for the TPOB, and it's not the newest one, this is the X bundle. It comes with, the shaver, the trimmers, the clippers, and it actually comes with the bonus magnet mat. For the total, it would be $219.98 because the shipping is international unless you go with Amazon. But it wasn't that much cheaper. But with a code, you know, if you use a code with the TPOB, it drops it down to around $181.98. So let me do the math real quick, man. What I went with cost a whole $279.84 more than the TPOB bundle, which is quite a bit more expensive, man. I could have got two TPOBs. Let me see, 181.98 times 2. I could have got two of them for less than what I spent. Plus, I just got the shears, and that was close to 200. It was like 189. So all in all, I spent like 700 on the shears with all of this right here as well. So it wasn't cheap, the route that I went. And in my opinion, the way that I think is I like to go with what I really want. You know, if I would have got the TPOB, I didn't like the green color of them. It would have been cool, but I wouldn't have been 100% happy with it. They could have worked just fine. I'm sure they do. I've seen the reviews and, you know, it got decent reviews. But for me personally, I would have been thinking like, damn, I wish I would have got those low pros. You know, I wish I would have got the FX3. So to me, if you can afford it, go with what you really want, because just like the, you know, example I made with the bike, it's like if you get a 600 or if you get like a 300 or 250, whatever it is, a week later, you're gonna be like, man, I wish I would have got that 600 instead of just getting the 600, you know? And it's all situational. You know what I'm saying? Because if you can't afford it, obviously, go with the TPOB. And then once you work your way up, you make a little extra money to get what you really want. Then, you know, maybe you could sell the TPOB or you just keep it and get what you really want. But if you have the money to get what you want, then get what you want, man. That's how I personally feel about it, because you ain't going to be truly happy if you don't. So y'all let me know down below in the comments, what do you think? Do you agree with Jerry? Do you go with the cost-effective route, or are you kind of more on my side? Do you get what you truly want as a beginner? You know, because you gotta remember, some people are gonna start and they ain't gonna finish. Will I start and not finish? Yet to be seen. I'm gonna tell you no, but that's up to y'all to decipher, to guess if I'm gonna go all the way through with it. I know I am, and I know I'm gonna be good at this, so it's gonna pay off for me in the end, but I guess we'll see.